Hi everybody and welcome back to the hard reset info channel. In today's video I'm going to answer the question, why is your SOUNDCORE Select 2S device so quiet? So, the first issue might be that your speaker is muted. Click plus other times to increase the volume level and then check if it's still silent. If it's still silent, you have to do a hard reset, factory reset. To do that, you have to push simultaneously the Bluetooth button and the plus button at the same time for at least 4 seconds. As you can see now, our hard reset is done. But if your speaker is silent too, you have to try to charge it up to 100%, because the battery may be low. And if it helped you, that's really nice. But if it didn't, you have to contact device support, because your device may be broken. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.